Hello everybody. So Olight sent me some more stuff. A couple of flashlights and a knife. Before I talk about those, I want to make sure that you understand that I got these for free. Well, there's one ask, and that was that I talk about the flashlights and knife, give my honest opinion. So I'm also an affiliate of Olight, and what that means is that for every sale there is a percentage, but I want to say right off the bat, it's very important to me that you do not go in debt with this economy. All that being said, I'm cooking some coffee over the fire, and while that's happening, let's talk about what they sent me. Alright, let's talk about the Drever pocket knife first. We'll get it unboxed. So right off the bat, it comes in a really nice carrying case. Canvas and Velcro. In the case is a little pocket with a nice little collectible copper coin. And there's the knife. Let's carve a pumpkin, shall we? So a little bit about this knife. So the blade is N690 stainless with a sheep's foot design, flat grind. See that? And the blade itself is just under 3.5 inches, 3.49 inches. And the handle is G10, which is fiberglass and resin basically, but it's got a really nice contour going on. Smooth but not slippery. The action is ball bearing. It's got the flipper tab, but it's also got the thumb tabs on either side. Pretty smooth. Line lock. And then you have the deep pocket style clip here. Little ferro rod, so the spine is nice and sharp as well. Hopefully you can see that, it's kind of bright out. Well, let's talk about the flashlight next. This is the Javelot Mini. Something new. Let me get this unboxed real quick. So it comes with a really nice carrying case. Let me get the protective lens cover off and the battery protector also. So this is the Javelot Mini. It's about 4.5 inches long. The bezel's just under 1.5 inches. It's light, weighs about 5.5 ounces. It's got the magnetic charger on the tip as well as the on-off button. And you switch it all the way on. Switch it all the way on. That's full power for 1,000 looms, or you can use this thing a different way. Press the button halfway down and you've got 200 looms. Press it the full way and there's 1,000 and release it. Something else interesting about this is it has a little vibration going on to let you know that you've turned it on. It also alerts you when your power is going low. I forgot to mention, so when you're using this in low power mode, 200 looms, it's good for almost 5 hours. They say 4 hours 57 minutes. That's pretty good. We're going to test this out later on tonight when it's dark. So the case itself is aircraft aluminum. It's got some really nice grippy ridges on it. Great hand feel. And like I said, aircraft grade aluminum. It's got a drop rating of 1.5 meters, which is what, about 5 feet. It's waterproof to 1 meter for 30 minutes. Yeah. So I wanted to mention the carrying case as well. Nice rigid plastic, but it snaps right in there. And check this out. That is not coming out. Real nice belt clip. Great for anybody, from police officers to somebody walking their dog at night. And last, I want to tell you about this little guy. This is Olight's 15th anniversary keychain light. It's actually an I1R Pro LED. Let me get it out of the box and show you. There we go, this little guy right here. Pretty neat. It's actually got two different light settings. You just twist it to use it. That's 5 lumens right there. That's good for 12 hours. Keep twisting. That's 180 lumens, which is good for about 23 minutes. That'll certainly get you from the store through the parking lot to your car, or, you know, through the herd of raccoons at night out in the country. It's about 2 inches long, weighs less than an ounce. Perfect little keychain light. So this is the Javelot Mini. That's 200 lumens right there, just holding the button halfway down. Look at that beam. And that's fully depressed. And there's 1,000 lumens. This is one heck of a beam. There's some fall colors for you. Nice. And here's the little keychain light. That's on low. And that's on high. I mean, that is pretty decent. Not a bad throw. Not a bad throw for a little keychain light. Nice. Another look at the Javelot Mini, a little bit farther distance here. That's about 200 yards away right there. The trees behind it about 250. Thanks for watching, everybody. Aside from the Halloween sale, they're also raising money for breast cancer. So any of those items, all proceeds go to Breast Cancer Foundation. And just a reminder, check my video description for the store link and my discount code that'll get you 10% off anything that's not already on sale. And some items are excluded. And I hope you enjoyed the pumpkin carving too. A little fun bonus. God bless, and Semper Fi.